Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use ChatGPT to get TikTok script ideas from ChatGPT. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your browser and search for ChatGPT. Here you can see introducing ChatGPT. Press on this. Now press on Try ChatGPT. So here I'm gonna show you how to ask ChatGPT for TikTok script ideas effectively. I'm gonna show you step by step rules, tips and tricks and including examples. So let's go. Number 1. Be specific about your niche. Example prompt: give me TikTok script ideas for a fitness creator targeting beginners who want quick at-home workouts. Here is the result. TikTok thrives on niche content. Identify your focus, whether it's comedy, education, fitness, or trends, and state it clearly. Number 2. Set tone and style. Example: write a humorous script idea for a TikTok about studying tips for students. Let's see the answer. Here is ChatGPT's output. So, define the vibe of your content. It can be casual, funny, informative, or dramatic. Number 3. Specify the video length or format. Example prompt: suggest a 30 seconds TikTok script using a trending sound to explain budgeting tips. Let's search the answer. TikTok videos are short, so indicate the duration or format you want. Number 4. Ask for trending or viral ideas. Example prompt: suggest a TikTok script idea using trending audio to share funny cooking mistakes. Here, you can include keywords like trending or viral if you want your idea to align with current TikTok trends. So, by combining these steps or example, you will guide ChatGPT to deliver optimized TikTok ideas tailored to your content goals. So this is how you can get TikTok script ideas from ChatGPT. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.